Alright, this video is measurement conversions using proportions and the baseball bat and ball. Okay, so I've already done a video on measurement conversions, and we've used this, and we've talked about how anything you do on here, you're going to be using multiplication or division. Okay, so really that's probably the information you really need, but I just wanted to do a couple of sample problems here where I really focused on the fact that measurement conversions really are just a different kind of proportion. Okay, so let's just do an example, okay, or a sample problem. Okay. And in my example, I'm going to say that I just want to know 14 feet equals how many inches? Okay, 14 feet equals how many inches? Okay, so let's go through step by step. Okay, so step number one. Step number one would be to find the conversion rate. Okay, and notice we've got a nice, rate ratio kind of word there. Remember, the rate is comparing two different things. So in this case, comparing feet and inches. Okay, so there's feet and inches. Okay, so 1 foot equals 12 inches. Okay, so then step two, different color for step two. Step two. Set up a proportion. And then here you need to keep the units the same going across. I think that's important. So keep the units the same going across. Let's talk about what I mean by that. Okay, so I'm setting up a proportion. Remember, a proportion has to have an equal sign in the middle. Okay, and in this proportion, I'm going to put feet over inches. Okay, feet over inches. Okay. So over here, 1 foot equals 12 inches. Okay. So 1 foot is 12 inches. There's my proportion. Okay. And then I want to know 14 feet is how many inches. Okay. So see how across I've got feet, 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 and across I've got inch, inch, inch. Well, I've got a broken pencil is what I've got right this second. But I've got inch, 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 inch. Okay. So right here, okay, that is my conversion rate. This right here is the info from the problem. And the missing number. Okay. And then this over here is just a reminder of which unit is on top and which unit's on bottom. Okay, so now I've set up our proportion. Okay, I kept the units the same going across, feet, 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 inch, 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 and now I'm ready for step number 3. Okay, step number 3 is solve with the bat and ball. Okay. So we have 1 over 12 equals 14 over something. Okay. So right here is my baseball bat. Okay. And right here is my ball. Okay. So 12 times 14. 4 times 2, 8, 4, 4, 5, 6, 168 divided by 1, okay, equals 168. So the answer is 168 inches. Okay? And then if you ask yourself, is that reasonable? Is 14 feet going to be a lot of inches or a small amount of inches? It's going to be a lot of inches. So 168 is reasonable. Okay, and it is my final answer. So that is measurement conversions using proportions and the baseball bat.